Alexa, intruder alert.
You chose the wrong house. So you have chosen death. Locking up the house. Releasing the Roombas.
My intruder alert went kind of viral, and above all the suggestions you got to say to improve this insane automation, the biggest request was a tutorial, and that's what we're going to do today. Not gonna lie though, I can't go over every detail in just one TikTok. So this video is gonna be the first part of a list of tutorials to achieve the best possible intruder alert. You can already choose the next tutorial you wanna see on that series by voting for it on my brand new Discord, the Smart Playground. And for the impatients and the advanced user out there, I already put the GitHub link in my Discord so you can already guys check it out. I made this Discord to create a community around smart home so we can help each other out creating cool projects like this. So you're more than welcome to join it, and the link is in my bio. So back on the intruder alert, how did I do that? The main part of the intruder alert is the Home Assistant automation. I set up the trigger to be the Alexa device I have, so when I say intruder alert, it triggers the Home Assistant automation. If you don't have an Alexa, you can just use a Google Home or a Neon or just any device that can trigger an Home Assistant automation. Home Assistant is connected to every smart object I own, so from there it's pretty simple. I just ask him to do things like set the lights to red, make the lights blink red for 3 seconds, place this file on my audio system, close the shutters, set the fan to the maximum power, and anything else you want to do. For the voice, I wanted it to be supernatural and with a slight cruel tone, so that's why I used the Google AI powered text-to-speech. After playing around with the different voices, pitch and speed, I wrote all the text and that generated audio file for its sentences. But if you don't want to get too deep into that, just use your vocal assistant built-in text-to-speech functionality. It will do the job. On the physical setup side, I'm using Philips Hue for the light and some Sonos speaker for the audio. I'm aware that those can get very expensive, but don't worry. There are plenty of smart bulbs that are more affordable and that can do the job pretty well. And as per the sound, you can use any connected speaker or any Bluetooth speaker. The secret on the audio here is having at least 2 different devices. One that plays the music and the other one that speaks while the music is playing. Now I know some of you may ask, why not using Alexa directly or any other assistant? Well, it's because Home Assistant offers way more flexibility and control, and in the end you can have a better result. You can still probably do a cool intruder alert with the regular assistant, but you might be very limited. However, doing the full intruder alert with only one assistant like Alexa or Google Home is in the list of my next tutorials. So go vote for the one you want me to do on Discord. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments, and see you very soon.